Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to talk about user input action. Quite often it is necessary to ask user for additional information or for debugging purposes. In some cases it is not possible to automate everything, so the ability to interact with user is very important. So let me show you user input properties. The most important parameter is a prompt. So, and input type. So we can have input type as text, password, memo, etc. And the prompt is the name you'll see on the top of the dialog box. Once user selected the value or entered the value, it is set into input variable. Let me show how it all works. Just run it. So here we have the prompt. So click OK. So this is input text. We have another one. This is input passport. The next one is memo box. Next one is a little bit more complicated because it allows you to enter formatted HTML. Next one is date selection. Date and time selection. Time. Checkbox or boolean. Integer number, just a number, file, and the last one is folder, is a folder. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you will find this tutorial useful. And please like and subscribe. If you have any questions or suggestions, please go to our support forum and we will do our best to help you. Thank you. Bye.